Who is this? Why is this happening? I can't have my own privacy. Every time I call it. What is this? Hey! Papa! Hey! Hello, Papa. At the train station? 5 minutes. Okay, I will be there. Yes, I'm coming to pick you. Hey, I can't wait to see you. Hey, I'm so happy. Yeah, so I will be there, don't worry. Okay, bye-bye. Steven!
Yes.
Please, my father is coming. I have to go and pick him up. He's already at the station in 5 minutes, so... yes. I was paying this bill. Please, can you pay them when I come back so they are finished? And please, I'm going picking up. You take care of the kids. Papa, welcome.
Wow, what's going on here?
You're welcome. This is my house.
Your house?
Yeah, our house.
My God. What's going on here? Yes, my people used to say that we used to know a child that will be great when you give that child a water to wash hand to eat.
Come inside.
I know that my princess will make it in Europe.
Yes, so.
My
Amen.
God.
Amen.
Wonderful. Hey! What a marvelous thing.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Stevie! Come please.
Wow.
Come please.
Big.
Hey, hello. Oh, sorry. You're already here. I'm Steven.
Papa, Stephen. Papa, Stephen is my husband.
What is it?
What is what?
It's my husband.
How's what? What are you wrong?
But what is
nonsense?
Papa, now? What is it? Why you embarrassing me?
Shut up your mouth there! I said yes! Come down!
But what did I do?
Nonsense!
Is it a crime for me to introduce my husband to you?
Nonsense!
Is it a crime? What is it? I think you could just come inside and relax before you start making your problem. Come and sit down.
You go down from this place. What
What is your problem? What is the problem?
It appears you've forgotten where you're coming from.
I have not forgotten where I'm coming from.
Do you know why I came to Europe? Have you asked me? Nonsense!
Papa, please relax. We're here to have harmony. We're here to welcome you. I'm happy you're here. Let me just remove this bag from you.
Which bag? Leave my bag alone! What's that? What's nonsense?
What is it, Papa? What is this? Why are you pushing my husband away?
I will take this now.
Did you come here to find us or did you come here to
Nonsense.
visit us? What is it? What did you do?
I just want to remove this bag.
I don't know what's wrong with you.
Papa, what's going on? We want to be happy here. We want to harmony a bit. Let me just move this bag for you, huh?
Which bag?
This bag.
I just touched my gun.
Papa, what is this?
Shut up, man. If you talk, I'll break your head. Nonsense.
Scheiße, you must be back.
Why do you push my husband? What did we do?
Which if I hear husband? Nonsense.
Were you coming here to make problem? Or were you coming here to see me? Shut